Here, hold that. You take some video off that way.
It's video.
Let's back it up. Honey, I'm afraid it's already hit the front of your Jeep.
I know, it probably has. We got full coverage.
Where's Faye?
She went over to the birthday party. Look at this hail.
This is how it was in 2001.
Yep, this is just like that time. Oh, the Trailblazer's getting trashed. That poor mama bird's trying to save her baby birds. I know. Ouch! That was stupid. Look at the size of that thing.